So I'm Thomas, just a few minutes later, depending on in which order you're watching all my videos. This is, in one other video I showed you how to assemble, disassemble the 1 cup jar or Alterna adapter or mason jar, mason jar. Hey, sorry my accent, I'm not sorry for it, but it is what it is. The mason jar adapter, okay, which comes with these instructions. 1 cup mason jar adapter. You can blend 1 cup in here. You can blend more. If you put a 24-ounce mason jar on top of it, it will rotate, it will blend. So now I'm gonna put this together here. This is a 16-ounce wide mouth jar, big mouth jar. So, and I'm putting the same smoothie in. This is my favorite. Little quarter section of orange, cucumbers. They are sliced apart. Here's more oranges. I put more orange in. Okay. Oh, by the way, if you have ice, make sure the ice goes on the bottom, because when you turn this around, the ice is then on top here when you blend it, because you don't want the ice on the bottom. Actually, I recommend you don't put ice in it or later if you want to store it, because you want the smoothie to be warmer than the refrigerated temperature in order for you to create the perfect vacuum seal inside of your fridge. It's physics. You don't have to call Albert Einstein in order to determine of how much. You just need a higher temperature of your smoothie. Putting it in a colder temperature for storage, it will suck it all in. Oh, by the way, now I added pineapple, just like my wife's name, pineapple, piña, and then water. Okay, just a little water. Well, a little more water, just a half full. Remember, this is 60 ounces, so this is about 8 ounces of water. Okay, so now you take this here, and we gotta see this better here. Do you see that? Make sure you have the gasket in there. If you don't have the gasket in, then it's gonna leak. Alright, get it? Tighten that. Don't do it too hard so you can actually unscrew it again. Okay, so make sure. And then what you do is you have your blender here. You do swoop-de-whoop. You can shake it. Now it's all down here. Do you see how that is kind of over it? It will suck it down. It will blend it. I've tried that before, but again, I think I'm a little nervous right now. I'm not. I can always erase that video and make another one and just fake it, because I only do in-camera editing. What's in the camera, that's what you get to see. All right, turn it on. It's like 11 seconds. I blended 11 seconds. And then you see that, yeah, there is a few spinach flakes left, but you really don't need to. Did you see how this all turned? Woo! Get dizzy over it. Just keep in mind what I told you before. Square is better than round. We do have turbulizer ramps, but okay, still, that said, it blends pretty good. You saw it. Maybe I put too much water in it. So what you do now is you turn it around. Now, do you see how full this is? Pretty nice, huh? And let me put this down again so you see that. And now I'm unscrewing this baby. You put it aside, make sure the gasket is still in here. You have to always put it right, correctly in. The gasket is like this, and you put it in here. No other way. It's not gonna fit any other way. If you do it as something weird, it could get sucked in here and you're gonna destroy it and you're gonna destroy your ingredients. But the chances for that to happen is very small, unless you're stupid or something. something. I'm sorry, you're not. Customers are never, you know that word. It can happen. Look, I mean, I make mistakes too. But anyways, now you can either suck at the juice, or you refrigerate it. You put your lid, the plastic lid, or there's another, you know, the steel lids with the seal. Either way, you put that on here, and then you refrigerate it this way. If you do this, it will preserve it. I guarantee it. It'll last longer. It's not going to preserve it forever. But if you are into canning, and you want to can whatever, blend something different, puree of some sort, the nice thing is, when you have a complete contraption, you can shake it and nothing is going to leak. So anyways, that's that. I don't know what else to tell you for now. I can make different smoothies, different things like blending coffee, blending nuts, blending. I'll show you those kind of things. I hope you'll enjoy that. I hope you'll buy a whole ton of stuff from me. And if you don't, I know nothing. Anyways, I always love feedback. Please don't be mean. Please don't judge me. Please don't, criticize me too hard. I can't take criticism too easily. As if I care. I do care. I care about you a lot. Just want to hear what your opinion is. Just don't tell me I am loco. Because you saw it yourself. There's nothing dangerous about it. If you put something in there like ball bearings or an iPhone, don't get me started on this reckless behavior of, what's it called? It will not blend. You know, I said it differently. Those videos, I think they're reckless. My personal opinion. But hey, anything for a buck. So, have a nice day. I'll see you next video. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe not. I'll still wear my blue shirt for today. Have a fantastic day. Bye.